Hi, my name is Matthew Rempel. On this episode, we are going to be looking at the break-even point, a key idea in entrepreneurship. Welcome to Strategy Made Simple. So to understand the break-even point, you're going to need to understand two key concepts. We're going to need to know what our fixed and variable costs are. Fixed costs are things like rent, building maintenance, staffing costs, marketing budget, things like that. Things that don't change if you sell more products. Variable costs, on the other hand, do change when you sell more. So there are things like the manufacturing cost, the cost of shipping and packaging, usually costs associated with providing the product or service. Usually, retail or product-based businesses will have more variable costs, whereas service or software-based businesses will have higher fixed costs. So, on to the break-even equation. The break-even point is a key element of business because until you sell enough to be earning profit, you are losing money each month. And for each month that you're under your break-even point, you are losing money. That means you're either taking on debt or you're burning through reserves. And eventually, you're using up your runway. Runway is another concept we'll show in another episode. So here is the break-even equation. So to get your break-even by volume, you take your fixed costs and you divide by your average price of product minus the average cost of product. In essence, that's fixed costs divided by your profit margin on each product. That will tell you how many things you need to sell to break even. In my fake example, let's say we have a fixed cost of $10,000 a month. We sell our products for $100 and it costs us $80 to produce them. In this situation, our profit margin is $20. And then we take 10,000 divided by 20 gives us 500 units. We have to sell 500 products to break even on that month. In essence, the break-even point is asking when is your product profit margin going to be paying for your fixed costs. There are also two ways of presenting the break-even equation. You can present it as the number of products you need to sell or the amount of revenue you need to earn over that month to be breaking even. So based on the break-even volume equation, we're going to take the result we had there, the number of products we need to sell, multiplied by the price of the product. And that'll give us the amount of revenue we need to earn to break even. In our example, we needed to sell 500 products. And so 500 times 100 gives us $50,000 of revenue. So we need to be selling $50,000 worth every month to be breaking even and to start earning the profit that we can use to either reinvest in the business or in social enterprise to use it towards the mission. So the break-even point is a very simple concept, but is key to running a successful business. Good luck as you go to figure out what your break-even point is. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Strategy Made Simple. Do you have any questions, comments, or concerns about social entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship more generally? Contact me. Matthew at strategymadesimple.ca is my email, or you can tweet at me at Matthew Rempel. For more videos, podcasts, and blogs, you can visit the Strategy Made Simple website at strategymadesimple.ca. Are you interested in coaching? Are you exploring whether or not a social enterprise or a social business is right for you? Please sign up for a free consultation with Strategy Made Simple. You can do so through the website. There's a link in the description to set up an appointment. Do you need to reorganize your business? Are you trying to figure out what's working and what's not? You can join my newsletter for a free template of the social business model canvas. There are a variety of Strategy Made Simple workshops that are also available. You can go visit our workshops page on our website by clicking on the link below. Or if you have questions about social business, you can come join us at Social Economy Connect. It's a group of people I've been gathering to discuss social economy issues. There are experts in the world of social entrepreneurship and co-ops who would love to discuss and help you with your questions. You can find us at socialeconomyconnect.com. And as you go to figure out what your break-even point and how your business should work, keep it simple.